Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds t and ch. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them, together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the t sound in the word tip. Tip, tip. Now the ch sound in the word chip. Chip, chip. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Its tip has a chip. Its tip has a chip. Its tip has a chip. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.